come to the end of the chapter. How many times? The chapter, as we have done it, all the things, let us revise what all topics we have covered under this. Under how many times we have learned how the multiplication, continuous addition can be an answer to a multiplication, like 5 fours are, or if we add 4 5 times, answer is same. Then we learn that how to find, like if there are 5 rows and in each row there are 6 people, or there are 4 rows and 6 flowers are in each row. So this is similar to repeated addition. Now after that we learn that 2 5s is 2 times 5. That means when we add 5 2 times, the answer is same as 2 5s. So we have done, then you remember we did the word problems regarding this only. We've done the word problems, then we have done multiplications, then we have done multiplication and skip counting, similar to the thing. Now skip counting, if we say the table of 10, so 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30, and if we see normally it can be the skip counting of 10, 20, 30. So simple skip counting of 10 also. Then you can see I have already given you that 4 trophies cost dash rupees. So 4 into hint is this. So how much rupees? 8 rupees. Similarly, we have done this. Then we have done complete the following, and pattern we have done. Again I repeat, look at the pattern and complete them. We have done, like here we can see the table of 3. 3, 6, 9. Then what will come here? Here 12. Then 15. Then 18. Similarly 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Similar to it. On page 132 we have already done, and if you have not done, please complete these 2 things in the book. Then we have gone through these. I have given you for the rough work to solve these problems on page 134 you will solve it. Now let's discuss some of the problems that we have. Now let's see. Practice time. I have already given you multiplication. You have already learned multiplication with 3 digit, 4 digit, and this is simple multiplication with 2 digit. Like 11 5s are 55, 21. So you will multiply 4 into 1, 4, and then 4 into 2, 8. So 84 is the answer. Now let's see this, the problems on the base of this multiplication. A flower has 5 petals. How many petals? 5. A bunch of flower has 13 flowers. How many petals are there in a bunch? So 13 into 5. This will be simply 13 into 5. You will solve it. Number of petals 5 in each flower. Total number of flowers in a bunch 13. So the answer of total petals is 13 into 5. A book has 64 pages. What will be the total number of pages in 8 such books? So you can easily. So what you will have? A book has 64 pages. Total number of books 8. Total number of pages 8 into 6 or 64 into 8. You will write the answer. You will do all these three sums on page 138. Now if you see how many in 23 dozen. See, 1 dozen banana means 12 bananas. So 23 dozen banana is equal to 23 into 12. This is simple word problems. These are nothing else but simple word problems. As you can see, this is simple word problem. This is addition. Addition in, suppose 23 into 12. Now we'll write ones in ones column, tens in tens column, and then multiply them. See, separately. इससे इसको, and then we will add 200 plus 40 plus 30 plus 6, 276. So the answer is same. Answer is same. This is called multiplication with box method. You have already done this in the multiplications. We have done addition. See, I told you that the pattern goes with the multiplication table. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. This is a quick revision of this chapter so that we can start next chapter of jugs and mugs. Okay, so now Today we have wind up with this chapter. I've already given you the copy work. Now I'll give you a small introduction of the chapter Jug and Mugs, and then we will be continuing Jug and Mugs in the next class. But please be careful and practice nicely for your exams. Now, Jugs and Mugs, as the name says, the chapter is all about the capacity. It is the capacity. You remember we measure things like in grams, kilometer, meter, distance in meter and kilometer, weight of something in gram and kilogram. But liquid is not measured in kilogram or kilometer. It is measured in liter. It is measured in liter. How it is measured? It is measured in liter. Now, let us have a small introduction. Volume of liquid is normally measured in liter. Volume of liquid less in volume is measured in milliliter. Volume of water in a bucket is about 15 liters. Syrup eye drop pack is about 20 to 30 liter. Large volume is expressed in liters. Liquid change their space while putting them in different vessels, but their volume remains same. A tank having length of 1 meter, breadth 1 meter, height 1 meter contains 1000 liter of water. So in the next class we will be studying about the volume or the storage capacity of a product, that is in liters or milliliters. Okay. So still then children, you all drink water in glass and all. Please complete that work given to you in rough copy and in fair copy and practice them. And in the next class, we'll continue with the chapter Jugs and Mugs. See you children in the next class. Bye. Good.